Hello everyone, my name is Amit Kumar and today I'm gonna show you how to remove static watermark from a video, and we will use Python and OpenCV. I was working on a project, so I have gathered some videos. Let me show you. This is the video which has this VO watermark, okay, Google watermark, and the another one is a test MP4, and it has both Gemini and Google VO watermark both. So we will try to remove the watermark from the video. So all you need to do is just run this script with the Python, and you will first of all you need to select the watermark. So we will use select command, and then we will use this our video, and then we will output logo.png. Okay, so that will be a watermark. So here it is logo, so we will select it and then press spacebar, so it will give the position of the logo on the video, and it will save a logo.png file. Let me show you which is selected by us. So it is a logo selected by us recently. Okay, so now we will run script again, and now we will give it static command. Earlier we give it select command, we want to select the watermark, and now we want to remove the static watermark and from the same video. Okay, and the output will be this time not logo, output will be our video. Okay, so we will name it like this. Okay, my bad, we haven't given the position or region or size of the watermark, so it was earlier outputted by our earlier command. So give x coordinate as the x coordinate, y as the y coordinate, and then width of the watermark, and then height of the watermark as well, which is 46. If we run this, it will try to remove the watermark. Let me show you. Okay, as you can see, the watermark is removed from the bottom right corner. So it is working on this video. Now let me show you the other video which has the both Gemini and the video watermark as well. So we will do the same. First of all, we will select the watermark. Okay, so it is a test video, and then we will save it as logo.png. It will replace the earlier one. So we will select the whole area. Okay, currently it has some bugs. Now we will space the enter. It will save both the logo. My bad. Okay, logo.png. Okay, as you can see, it has selected both the logo. Now what we will do is we will run the script again with a static command, because the watermark is static, and the input video is test video, and the output will be test out.mp4. Now we will give the position of the watermark. Okay, so what is the position? The position is x-axis 1184, y-axis 632, and the width 80 and 74. Width is 80 and the height is 74. If we run this, it will remove the watermark from the video. Let me show you test output. Okay, as you can see, it is removed from the bottom right corner, but there is a caveat. Let me show you. Now watermark, select the, now this is our completely my bad. Okay, now we will select this VO logo from here. Okay, press spacebar. The VO logo is saved in our system. Okay, now we will run the command with static. Input is final video, output will be output.mp4, sorry, mp4, and the x coordinate is 1190, y coordinate is 660, width is 74, and the height of the watermark is 48. Okay, now if we run this, it will try to remove the watermark. Okay, we will open the output watermark. As you can see, it is visible a little bit. So on the some surface it is very clean, like the white or the other one, but on the some surface it becomes visible. So this is it for this video. If this scripts helps you, then please comment out, I will share it with you. And once the project will be completed, there will be a full demo video and we will make it public on the GitHub as well. Thanks for watching.